Hi guys, this is John K and here we are for another unboxing video. So today, we are going to unbox another figure from Sega. So alisin muna natin yung bubble wrap and check natin kung sino to. As you can see, this is Sanemi Shinazugawa from the Demon Slayer anime. Now, if you are interested to buy this figure, make sure that the box looks like this. So in front of the box, you should see the Jaya and the Sega logo. We have here the image of our figure, and then several Japanese text with the Demon Slayer logo. And then on top of the box, you should see again the Sega logo, an image of our figure, several Japanese text, and the Demon Slayer logo. Sa right side naman, dapat makita nyo tong two full body shots of our figure. And then on the left side is a full close shot of our figure. At the back, you should see several Japanese text with this QR code. Ayan. And then meron din siya ditong nakanote na sales outside Japan only. And then at the bottom, you should see several Japanese text again and some warning signs. And that's it. Start na natin i-open itong box para makita na natin yung ating figure. Finally, ito na si Sanemi. Ayan, close-up lang natin. Ayan, kamukha naman siya nung nasa anime. Now, looking at the face of our figure, Sanemi has white long hair and large pale purple eyes. May mga scars din siya all over his body. Ayan, kita-kita nyo naman. Pansin nyo din na yung suot niya is a green tinted version of the standard Demon Slayer uniform. So, naka-unbutton pa siya to expose his chest, tsaka yung abs, diba? So far, I'm not seeing any excess paints dito sa ating figure. So, good job, Sega. Tapos, dito sa likod ng kanyang white long sleeve shirt, may nakasulat na Japanese character na ang ibig sabihin ay kill. Para din kahawig ni Killua ng Hunter x Hunter itong figure natin kapag nakatalikod, diba? Now, looking at the bottom part of this figure, you'll see Sega China. And then, probably yan yung product number niya. Konting information lang guys, Sanemi is currently the Wind Hashira of the Demon Slayer Corps. So he is using wind breathing techniques whenever he fights demons. Yung nakikita nyo na purple rice cake na kinakain niya, ang tawag dyan ay ohagi. And that is Sanemi's favorite food. Now let's do some side-by-side comparison. Compare muna natin siya kay Kyojuro Rengoku. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, parang mas malaki si Rengoku compared kay Sanemi. So ayan, tingnan natin. Sa anime, kapag pinanood nyo siya, I think mas malaki si Sanemi compared kay Rengoku. So, tingin ko nagkamali dito si Sega. So, off-scaled itong ating Rengoku figure. Compare naman natin siya kay Shinobu Kocho. Ito, masasabi ko tama lang yung scale nila kasi mas malaki pa rin si Sanemi compared kay Shinobu Kocho. Lastly, compare naman natin tong ating figure kay Tengen Uzui. Dito mapapansin nyo mas matangkad si Uzui compared kay Sanemi, which is tama kapag pinanood nyo yung anime. Now, let's give Sanemi a quiet time and stare at his cold-hearted